Welcome to Auto Review Pro, your trusted channel for in-depth automotive reviews, covering the latest models and timeless classics. Today, we take a closer look at the 1975 Sigma 1308, a vehicle that embodies the spirit of practicality and innovation from its era. The 1975 Sigma 1308 was a compact and versatile car, designed to meet the needs of families and small businesses during a transformative period in the automotive industry. Its design showcased a functional and purposeful aesthetic, with clean lines and a boxy shape that maximized interior space while keeping the overall footprint compact. The front fascia featured simple yet elegant detailing, including circular headlights and a subtle grille, which added a touch of sophistication to its utilitarian appearance. Powering the Sigma 1308 was a 1.3-liter inline-4 engine that provided a balance of performance and efficiency. With its lightweight design and responsive handling, the car was easy to maneuver in urban environments while remaining capable on longer journeys. The engine was paired with a manual transmission, which added an engaging driving experience and emphasized its practical nature. During an era marked by fuel crises, the car's excellent fuel efficiency made it an attractive option for budget-conscious drivers. The interior of the 1975 Sigma 1308 was all about functionality. Its spacious cabin could comfortably accommodate passengers and cargo, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. The seats were designed with durability and comfort in mind, while the straightforward dashboard layout ensured ease of operation. Though it lacked the advanced features we see in modern vehicles, it included essentials like a heating system, manual windows, and adjustable seating. The car's focus on practicality over luxury made it accessible to a wide range of buyers. When it came to driving dynamics, the Sigma 1308 offered a smooth and reliable experience. Its suspension system was designed to absorb bumps and provide a comfortable ride on various road surfaces. While the safety features were minimal by today's standards, its robust construction and reliable braking system offered a reassuring sense of security for drivers and passengers alike. The 1975 Sigma 1308 remains a beloved classic, celebrated for its simplicity, reliability, and efficiency. Enthusiasts admire it for its role in making transportation accessible and practical during a pivotal time in automotive history. It continues to be a popular choice for collectors who appreciate its timeless appeal and historical significance. Thank you for tuning into Auto Review Pro. If you enjoyed this comprehensive review of the 1975 Sigma 1308, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging reviews and automotive insights. Stay connected for updates on classic cars and the latest models in the industry.